While checking out directions, these bikers were confronted by a driver they had passed earlier.
I don't know. Maybe. I can understand how that would be, you know.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
It's like being next to a 50 caliber going on. You're not being ready.
Okay, sorry about that, man.
We'll take it down. You realize, like I said, I don't care. Go out and have fun, bro. Tear it up. They're fun machines. But I'd be right with you.
Oh, you
I'm trying my best to stay in this car and not break something. I'm a laid back dude, man. Hey. No. Wait. Cool, man. Honestly, cool.
I apologize, man. I'm sorry.
Dude, I've never been through anything like that. Harley, bro. Woo! Nice bikes.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
That's one of these things good.
Speed limit, bro. No. We were just taking a minute, bro.
We really didn't mean to scare you. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But you didn't scare me.
You sure about that?
You guys have fun with it. Do it. These things. But you know, go out and dust with these long roads before.
But,
You know, they're
yeah.
have fun. I'm glad to have them. Nice to meet you guys.
I hear you, bro.
No, I'm serious.
No, I got you.
And we all kind of, I think it's nice to meet you guys. Stay safe.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. We apologize. Sorry about that, man.
I thought he got out. I thought he was going to come over here and knock one of us.
I know, I was about to pull the bro.
I'll go fly by again.
While waiting at the lights, these two bikers got rear-ended by a driver who, for some unknown reason, slammed on throttle. On a motorcycle, things can change in just a few seconds. You know, the ride can change fast. One moment, everything's perfect. The sound of the engine, the open road, and the next, someone looks down their phone and your whole day is gone sideways. I've seen it happen too many times, and what's worse is what comes after. The calls, the paperwork, and insurance companies offering riders way less than what they actually deserve. That's when it really matters who's fighting for you. Morgan & Morgan is America's largest injury law firm, and they've been fighting for the people for over 35 years. They've got over 1,000 attorneys in all 50 states, and more than 4,000 support staff ready to take on the big insurance companies that try to lowball victims. Just to give you an idea, a client in Florida was offered $350,000 after a serious crash. Morgan & Morgan fought for them and won $12 million. That's not luck. That's what happens when the biggest injury law firm in America has your back. They've recovered over $20 billion for clients all across the country, and their fee is completely free unless they win. You can visit forthepeople.com/dirtbikelunatic to start your claim right now. It only takes a few minutes and you can do it straight from your phone. On the road, gear keeps you safe. Off the road, it's about having the right team protecting you. And that's why it's Morgan & Morgan for the people. We can all agree that electric scooters are becoming increasingly dangerous. More and more kids are taking them onto busy streets without proper knowledge of traffic rules.
What are you doing?
While riding at the speed limit, this biker was recklessly overtaken by a lady in a BMW who passed dangerously close to him.
You overtaking me?
Because you want to be in the middle of everything. That's why.
This is a Street Eagle bike. That's my and I'm on my lane.
That's why.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No. That's illegal. What you did is... What you did?
Don't ever come
I have a
up to
camera.
me.
What are you doing?
Don't ever come up
What
to
you
me.
doing? I have a camera. You wanna hit me?
Do not
Don't
come
get
up
off
to
your
me.
car.
Do
Stay
not
in
come
your
up to
car.
me.
Stay.
Do not
Get
come
back
up
in
to
your
me.
car.
Bye.
Get back in your
Bye.
car. You are the one who's getting out.
Bye.
You are the one who's getting out. Get the fuck in your car.
Bye.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Don't around on the street. You're in a car, I'm on a bike.
Don't play with
Use
me.
your douchebag
Fine,
head.
you're mad.
Go f yourself. So that car, the BMW, is jumping red signals, was about to crash me, illegally overtaking me. I have her on my cam. She's right over there. And she was about to even get out of her car to charge at me. Just letting you know, sir. I mean, you should do something about it. They didn't care.
Since even the police didn't seem to care, this biker decided to take matters into his own hands. Something we do not encourage. Take a look. This biker said that the driver was tailgating and threatening him, and here's how he decided to respond. This rider shared his full crash and admitted that there were things he could have done better. He entered the corner too fast, got distracted by a nearby car, and took a poor line. Luckily, he was wearing most of his gear, which saved him from serious injuries. He says it was a valuable lesson and hopes others can learn from his mistakes. This biker lost his temper after being cut off and then flipped off by the same taxi driver.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Hadi düşüyorum abi. Evet. Görüldüğü üzere düşülüyor ve bir bok olmuyor. Bayağı kıyafet işe yarıyor yani.
What the f is that, bro?
After this Tesla driver drove on the wrong side of the road and nearly caused the biker to crash, this biker decided not to let it go. That's where he made his mistake. Take a look.
Comment on la relève là? Les carénages ils sont pas frottés, ils sont juste sales. What are you doing?
As seen in previous episode, debris on the road is not only dangerous for motorcycles, but can also cause serious damage to other vehicles.
Holy sh! What car is?
make that? Off, dude. Off. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go.
Bakayım ne yapıyorsun ya?
Both the biker and the driver made the same mistake, resulting in shared responsibility for the accident. Even after realizing that he drifted into biker's lane, the driver continued changing lanes recklessly.
It's a solid one, you dumb.
Kamera kaydı lazımsa ben buradaydım. Lazımsa kamera çekiyordum. Yapabilirim yani. Geçmiş olsun abi.
Var mı? Bakayım izleyebiliyor muyum?
Gonna rev it again?
Like that, right? Yeah. That one.
Take it easy, brother.
Oh God, that's my dog.
While out doing a good deed by handing out gift cards, this biker suddenly found himself on a new mission to save a lost dog wandering on the street.
Wonder whose dog this is.
We don't know.
One of you guys hold her real quick.
I've never called.
So I run a YouTube channel and I'm passing out eggs today. Yeah. And you guys probably saved the dog's life, so I'm gonna hook you guys up, okay? There's 2 bracelets, a Chick-fil-A gift card, and a sticker in there, okay? What are you doing? Why are you running? You don't have any collar on you. You almost got hit by a car. You know that? See? That could be me right there. I'm stuck babysitting you because you freaking kamikazed out in the middle of the road. You know that? You better not pee on me. I got a brand new hoodie on.
1 hour later.
Animal control is here for you. Do you know how many people have been looking at me weird? I'm a chicken and I'm holding this dog. I have a bike.
You did it to yourself.
Yeah.
What, did it just run up to you?
It ran across the street right here, so I'm sure it belongs to somebody back in that neighborhood, but there was a couple kids and we managed to like kind of get them on the sidewalk, but it ran across Dixie.
Okay, maybe I'll just drive down there. Sometimes they're outside. Thank you so much.
Is that cool?
Yeah. Okay, baby girl. Well, thanks so much.
Yep, no problem.
Okay, cool.
Happy Halloween.
Just you're so sweet. Happy Halloween.
Yep. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, of course.
Let's get back on the road. Glad that dog didn't pee on me.
one last lap before packing up for the day often turns out to be the most dangerous one.
Now I'm gonna put this back in. Oh, it's completely out. Damn it. Should have just packed it up. Can you pull the glove off, please? Sorry. I might be a bit rude, I'm in heaps of pain.
That's alright, that's fine.
I would have rather just hit the ground, to be honest.
Are you out here by yourself?
I'm fine, I just gotta put it back in. It's like the 15th time I've done it.
Caramba, velho.
The bus completely blocked the view of the turning car, making it impossible for the biker to avoid the collision at the last moment. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!